Today's video is a special one because I'll be sharing the incredible progress of my Anthurium stem cutting propagation. If you've been following along, you'll know that I started this propagation a while back, and now the results are truly remarkable. If you haven't seen my previous videos where I demonstrated how to cut the stems and prepare the soil, I highly recommend watching them first. Those videos will give you a clear, step-by-step guide on how to successfully propagate Anthuriums from stem cuttings. You can find them linked in the I button on this video or in the description box below. Now let's take a look at the progress, the journey from cuttings to growth. As you can see, I filmed this update on the 28th of February, right when the first new leaves had begun to emerge. This was just the start of their growth, and I observed a few key factors that played a vital role in their successful development. If you're planning to propagate Anthuriums yourself, these are things you must pay attention to. One of the most crucial aspects of this process is maintaining the right moisture levels inside the polybag. Anthurium cuttings thrive in a humid environment, and any drastic changes in moisture can seriously impact their growth. Healthy growth indicators. A great sign of a successful propagation is healthy dark green leaves. As you can see, the leaves on my Anthurium cuttings look vibrant and fresh, which is a clear indication that they are absorbing nutrients effectively. After 28th February, I took a break from these Anthurium and came back to the garden on 8th March. I filmed them in very happy mood as they really grown well in a week. They didn't have much water in that week though. A strong, deep green color suggests that the plant is well hydrated and receiving adequate care. Another key observation I made is that young Anthurium plants love shade. Unlike mature Anthuriums that can tolerate some filtered sunlight, these baby plants require a more protected environment. During the summer months, it's crucial to keep an extra eye on them, as excessive heat and direct sunlight can stress the young plants and slow their growth. Some of the vines of the leaves were fallen in different angle. I guess that because I kept them in an open space and inside the bags. Sometimes the wind made the bags moved. To get rid of this issues of falling leaves, I need to keep them a week without polybags in an open space where it get bright lights. This time, I will give them 2 weeks of time, and we'll see how they grows. And finally, after 2 weeks later, I came back to my garden, and meanwhile my partner gives 2 times water only. The leaves are really bright green. I was so happy for this moment. Actually, I was waiting for this happy moment that I just wanted to share with you. It was a great experiment of Anthurium stem cutting. I have more clear vision on soil mixture that I made at home. Very soon I shall repot them into bigger pots, and I will create an area for them so they all together stays happily in open space under some shades. I believe you love the whole process that I have shared in this channel. I would defiantly want to have your comments. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and share the videos to your friend who wanted to propagate with chill.